Hello everyone, this is Soni Sharma. Welcome to my channel Advait. Today I am going to teach you properties of multiplication. So let's start. See the first property, multiplicative property of 1. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. What does it mean? See, whenever we are multiplying a number by 1, we are getting the same number. 7 ones are 7. 9 ones are 9. 23 ones are 23 only. It means if we will multiply any number by 1, we are getting the same number. So this is the multiplicative property of 1. Multiplicative property of 0. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. It means whenever we are multiplying a number by 0, we are getting 0 only. Okay, if 17 is multiplied by 0, answer will be 0. 23 multiplied by 0, answer will be 0. It means any number multiplied by 0, we are going to get the product 0 itself. Third property, order property of multiplication. Order means if we are changing the order of the two numbers which we are multiplying, the answer remains the same. Change in the order of the two numbers to be multiplied does not change the product. It means if we are multiplying two numbers and changing its order, it means first we are making second and the second number we are keeping on the first place, answer will be same. Let's see the example. 2 threes are 6, right? 3 twos are will be 6 only. One more example. 7 nines are how much? 63. And 9 sevens are 63 only. Okay, so if I'm changing the order of the number, it means the first number I kept on the second place and the second number I kept on the first place. Then also the answer is same. The product is same. Fourth property, grouping property of multiplication. For understanding this property, we need at least three numbers. Okay, a change in the grouping of three numbers to be multiplied does not change the product. It means if we are multiplying three numbers and we are making different groups of numbers, the product remains the same. Let's see the example how we are going to do this. If we are having three numbers 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I will first make the group of 2 and 3. Fine. What I'm going to get? 2 threes are, I'll get 6, and when I'll multiply 6 by 4, I will get 24. So my answer is 24 and the number were 2, 3 and 4. Now again I'll take the same number, but this time I will change the group. I will make the group of 3 and 4. So 2 will be multiplied by 3 fours are 12. How much I am going to get? Again 12 twos are 24 only. Clear? So I have made the different groups, but I am getting same answer. Initially I have made the group of 2 and 3 and now I have made the group of 3 and 4. See, again different grouping, 2 into 4 into 3. Again the numbers are same only, right? 2 3 4 we are having, but this time we are going to make the group of 2 and 4. So 2 fours are 8 into 3. How much we are going to get? 24. So if we are multiplying 3 or more than 3 numbers and we are making different groups of numbers, the answer remains the same. It will not change. Okay. Last property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. See, distributive property, distributive means something is related to the distribution. Okay, distributive property of multiplication over addition. So this is the number which is going to be distribute over this addition. How? Let's see. 40 plus 2 into 15. It means I have to give this 15 to each of the numbers which are inside the bracket. It means 40 will also be multiplied by 15 plus 2 will also be multiplied by 15. Or you can understand it in this manner. See here, for example, 15 is a chocolate and it should be provided to both 40 and 2. If we will give this chocolate to only one number, then both the numbers are going to fight with each other. Okay, so we have to give 15 to 40 also and to 2 also. Now they both are related with each other with plus ka sign. So we have to keep in mind, then when we are distributing this 50 to each number, we have to put in between them the plus ka sign. We will not miss this. Okay, so let's write 40 into 15. So chocolate is given to 40, and what is the sign? Plus ka sign. And 15 is given to 2 also. Now we are going to multiply this 40 by 15. How much we are going to get? 600, and 15 twos are 30. So 630 will be the final answer. Okay, this is the easy way to multiply a number. We easily get the answers. Why we have to understand these properties? Because these properties are going to help out us in multiplication. So if these properties are clear to us, then we can solve the competitive based questions or multiple choice questions easily. Clear? I think the properties will be clear to you. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.